Welcome to 21st Century Business. I'm Jackie Bales. Many people don't realize it, but the pricing of equipment for upstream oil and gas companies is completely out of their control. In fact, the only way for them to control margins is by cutting production costs. Well, making this happen is the specialty of Intech process automation, and we have Intech President Eric Fiedler here with us today to discuss the topic. Welcome, Eric.
Well, thank you, Jackie. It's a pleasure to be here.
Eric, can you tell us more about the challenges that upstream oil and gas companies face when it comes to creating healthy margins today?
Oil and gas companies mention in their earnings report both the rising cost of capital equipment and the rising cost of sustaining operations as being impactful to their business. In the face of these challenges, they try to address them in a very complex regulatory environment with myriad nuances around the world, and in the face of a shrinking knowledge pool that challenges them to execute their strategies and to earn their margins.
Well, with these requirements, what solution does Intech Process Automation offer to help these companies?
From a perspective of capital projects, Intech first helps with people that brings expertise to their design of process automation so that they get the right degree of automation that they require for their systems. Then, as we execute the projects for them, we have a modular approach to project execution that drives down cost and helps them achieve their targets of schedule and budget. From an operating perspective, we provide people that help them run their automation systems as the facilities produce.
Oil and gas prices are constantly under pressure. Since oil and gas companies have no control over these prices, the end user can only increase their margins and bottom line by reducing costs and maximizing production.
Intech automates processes. We're a control system engineering and system integrator, and we provide solutions to the oil and gas sector, both foreign and domestic. Intech works directly with the client and the end user throughout the duration of the project.
In every progress report, we have a meeting with the client. So when he gets into the factory acceptance test, the FAT, he already knows what he's going to get. We doesn't finish the FAT until the client is happy with the solution. We do not produce what the client wants, what the client needs, which matches what he wants at the end.
Intech leverages its rich domain knowledge of oil and gas to develop innovative solutions to answer future questions today.
What does Intech see as the future of automation in oil and gas? And what are you doing about it right now?
The people they're hiring today are used to a collaborative environment. They're used to instant answers to challenges. They're used to be able to pick up a tablet or a smartphone and go find an answer to their problem. And we need to empower that from the large data pool that these customers have. And Intech today is leading the way with solutions for compressed natural gas stations and solutions for oil and gas production at the wellhead, where we leverage cloud technology to gain visibility and provide customers a way to manage their asset affordably.
Wow. Well, thank you so much, Eric, for sharing the interesting approach you take at Intech, and thanks for being here today.
Well, thank you, Jackie.
As always, thank you for watching. For 21st Century Business, I'm Jackie Bales.